Wala pong ghost project sa first district ng La Union.
House Deputy Speaker and La Union 1st District Representative Paulo Ortega asserted that there are no ghost flood control projects in their district. According to Ortega, there are 68 flood control projects in their area, all of which have been proven to exist with not a single ghost project among them. One example is the rehabilitation of Baroro River Control in Barangay Dangdangla, San Juan, La Union. Under its project profile, as of November 20, 2025, the project is valued at over 48 million pesos and is marked as completed. Only a small portion of it was damaged due to Typhoon Emong in July.
Yung sinabi po dun sa report ng PTV na nasira po yung isang flood control structure sa San Juan, totoo po na nasira yon. It was a 2018-2019 project na na-complete po nung 2020 na nasira po nung nakaraang bagyong Emong. People also need to see, at saka I think people know na tinamaan po kami ng dalawang super typhoon na magkasunod na signal number 5. And nasira po yung flood control na yon, a portion of that flood control, nasira po nung 2025. Pero nakaano naman po siya for repair na rin.
Ortega emphasized that these projects have already been inspected by high-ranking government officials, so they should not be used in malicious posts.
Validated na po yan. Actually, more than 5 government agencies have been validating not only in my district, pero sa buong Pilipinas yan actually. Nag-umpisa po na nag-validate dyan sa kaumikot. NEDA, DNR, PNP, CIDG, and of course yung DPWH na sa regional office saka sa district office.
He also stated that they continuously act on the needs of their constituents. Amid all the controversies, the lawmaker urged the public to be more discerning about what they read and watch online.
Kailangan you have all the facts, kailangan mag-research ka rin talaga kasi minsan ang fake news kasi para sa akin digital chismis yan digital intriga. So, we're doing our best. Alam nyo naman po na yung previous Congress, we were the ones fighting fake news. Sa mga TRICOM dati, inumpisahan na po natin yun. And tuloy pa rin po kasi nga po, ang social media ngayon is naaabuso na rin at nagagamit for fake news. So, we will continue to battle fake news with more information.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.